So in this video, my snack crate for December has come, which is good. And it's from Australia. I have opened the box, but I haven't unwrapped the paper. So, it came about 2 weeks ago. And it's still sealed, as you can see. And it's from Australia. Inside it tells you what exactly you get in them. So let's get into the vlog, shall we? So guys, the first item, called Violet Crumble, honeycomb toffee center coated in 2 layers of creamy chocolate. This is one. I've got 2 of these. These are 2 chocolate cookies biscuits filled with smooth chocolate cream, then drenched in even more chocolate. Tim Tam. Right. The third one, I get 3 of these. These are sweets. Smooth and velvety caramels coated with milk chocolate, wrapped to take with you anywhere. And the 4th item is Twisties, an Aussie snack icon for over 50 years. A corn-based curl dusted in tasty cheese. So it's like basically crisps. Right. These 2, I've got 2 of them. There's a shaped biscuits coated in a bold flavour of Vegemite. I don't know what that is. And cheese.
Vegemite.
What?
Vegemite.
Right, as my partner was saying, it's called Vegemite and cheese or savoury pizza. Oven baked and flavoured to perfection. This one is called Sappos, known for its explosive flavour. Sappo fruit chews will leave you with a sour punch of watermelon.
Supposed to be nice.
That makes your mouth water. Looks like you won't be trying these, Sean.
No, you won't.
Because these are sour watermelon. Right, and these ones, Samboy Atomic Tomato, Australia's favourite potato chips from the 1950s, with a tomato flavour that hits hard. The perfect singy crinkle cut crisps. Right, these I've got 2 of these, this one and this one. It's golden rough or rouge mint pate. Enjoy the sweet combination of toasty coconut and descendant chocolate in the golden rough, and cool white mint enriched dark chocolate in the milk pate. Alright, and this one is a snack bar. Crunchy cereal pieces infused with chocolate powder formed in a bar, then dipped in milk. The perfect on-the-go breakfast snack. This one, Cherry Ripe, Australia's oldest chocolate bar, a mix of cherry and coconut, covered with dark chocolate. Sean, why you laugh?
Sweet head, so.
Right, this one is a chomp bar, a crispy wafer laid with caramel, then coated in rich milk chocolate. It's a monster chew. And the last item, Strawberries and Cream, a soft chewy jelly that brings together sweet ripe strawberries with a thick cream. So that's what I got in this month's box. So let's get on with the tasting, and then I'll let my partner try them too. But I won't be filming him. Will I?
No.
So let's get on with it. Right, velvet crumble. It's like a chocolate bar, but what we get in the UK, it's called crunchy. It's like that. But it's nice, but I do prefer the UK one of this. Right, the next one.
Timmy Tam.
Tim Tam. Yeah, it's called Tim Tam. I've got one. You've got one. Yeah. This is nice. Nicest one. On with the fantails. Hard. You can see my dog, guys, there. Luna. Isn't it, Loon? Isn't it? You want to be in the video, don't you? And then start domino. Yeah, sure. I like this one. Right, on with the Vegemite. I'm going to try this one first, then this one. I've not tried Vegemite. I hope it's not like Marmite. No, I don't like them. Yeah. What's so funny?
It's Marmite.
Is it?
They call it Vegemite.
No. Oh my god.
Marmite myself.
Like this one now. Right, pizza flavour.
After all that.
These sauce taste like pizza as well. Yeah. On with the next item is twisted cheese. I like them. Is it okay? On with the Sapo sour watermelon flavoured cheese. Would you like one, Sean? Might not be.
Well, you try first. It's sour saving for your mum likes them.
Oh yeah. Like you said, in the sour, I'll save one for Mum, right, and film it. I like it.
Sour.
No? Does taste like watermelon? On with this one. Some boy, a flavour hits you. That's nice. It's all.
Blue there.
Right, on with the next two. I'll try this one first, and then the mint one. So it tastes like a Bounty. So,
One of those cheap chocolate.
right, the mint one. Let's see if this is okay. That's all. Yeah. Right, on with the breakfast bar. Plain. Not much flavour to it. Yeah. Not much flavour. Alright, this one, Chomp. We do actually get our chocolate bar in the UK called Chomp. Don't we, Sean?
Aye.
I like this one. Yeah. This one's nice.
I'm not a plum.
On with the next item, cherry ripe. Cadbury show. Cadbury's. Well, we don't get this in the UK. Well,
Turkish delight.
no.
That's what it tastes like.
Nice that one. Right, guys, this is the last item. Sweet. These are nice. So, yeah.
All like them. I need them.
You want a packet?
They're like, what's it?
So, you want the whole packet?
Like Haribo's.
Yeah. Yeah.
Tart, I like them now.
They are nice. I like them. Well, that is it for the unboxing and untasting. So I'm just gonna eat this and then on with the outro.
It's Marmite.
Well, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this snack crate for December, Australia one. My opinion is the snack crate box this month weren't too great. I prefer the last box. Sean, you?
Yeah.
What did you think about this box?
Crap.
Well, it's not
very nice.
Not brilliant this month. But stay tuned for those sour watermelon sweets, because I'm going to prank 3 people: Gregor, Stephen and my mum. But I'm going to film the prank and then upload this, so by the time you watch this, the prank video has already been filmed. So please like, subscribe, comment, share, hit that bell,
Ding ding.
and I'll see you guys next time. Keep smiling. Bye.